I was not live. Okay. Somehow I was speaking since 5 minutes, but I was not live on YouTube, on the tube. Okay, guys, let's get it, huh? I would love this again, same level as I said. Beautiful trade on pre-market. Look at this beautiful trade, retest of my level, and look at that. This was a minimum 2 to 1 risk reward. It would have come with a beautiful 30 points profit. What a beautiful trade. Now we just wait. I usually don't show the balance, also because I don't want to watch the balance for my mental state. I don't want to watch it during the trade to see how much is the count, to not get triggered by anything. I have the PNL just for the views, but I don't like to watch it. I want to execute, and that's all. Okay, 5 minutes. Oh, this is 10 minutes. 5 minutes. Ah, yeah. Anyway, let me see if the 2 minutes range break will have worked today. Ooh, not at all. Red. I would have shorted here, and these were not 5 points. Rangy. Okay, yesterday I forgot to change the 90%. Let's see if today I can change it. I think not this one. This one. Okay, guys. Looking for the opening range break depending on the first 10 minutes of the day. If the first 10 minutes of the day are red, and then I'm gonna look for long. If the first 10 minutes are green, then I will look for shorts, like yesterday. For the moment, the first 10 minutes are not over yet. This is only the first 5 minutes. Long time, no need to push anything. No need to ask the market to give us a trade on the first 5 minutes. We have all the time to execute and do our best. We did only one good trade, and that's what my realization came in the last period, when every time I was like, I'm gonna give myself 2 trades or 3 trades, but then you end up you might end up really start to an overtrade. But when you get one good trade, call it a day, and that's it. Yeah, like Eugene said in Discord, really choppy opening right now. Only ES is having some downside momentum. Next level on ES is 50-60. Wait, I have to put my level on ES, and I have a 50-92. Bust. 50-92. That's one level. So we don't care the blue one. And I have a 98 as well. 90 past 98 50 98 50. It's very close to the next one, so might even do. Oh wait, what is this? 175. Oh yeah, it's correct. Okay, first 10 minutes, closing in 2 minutes. Then we're gonna look for an opening range break on the first 10 minutes. For the moment it's red. The market opened here, we are below the opening print, so we are red and we're gonna look for longs. I'm gonna go for 8 contracts. Yes, very weak right now, very break and retesting. Look, if I go to the hour chart, look at this area here is getting retested on the short side, and like again I said, I think it wants to retest these levels first before trying to go higher for new highs. I think it wants to retest these lows and then maybe look for new highs, and that was my idea. And look, we are really cruising to the downside. Okay, it's gonna be red. I don't think it's gonna bounce in 1 minute and a half to above the open print level. So our opening range break first 10 minutes is red. That means we're gonna look for longs on the highs of the day. That was this one. The high was 26.75. I can put it at 26. Let's see, I'm just trying to 26. I can put it on the same level, just to, or a 1 point or 1 tick below. If it reach here, a really high chance that it's gonna break anyway. And I won't get the slippage, but yeah, no, let's respect. Buy stock market. Let's go, Eugene. Good job, nice, beautiful shot. He took a shot on the opening. 22 was his stop loss. 22, right? So yeah, on this candle here. But if I go to the 1 minute chart, yeah, this one was his stop loss. This candle here, he went short when this candle became red. And beautiful short, Eugene, really killing it there. Good job, good job. It's coming to retest my level. Ooh, it's gonna be interesting. Ooh, it's gonna be interesting. What's up, Max? It's really coming down. The fact is that I'm looking at this possible bounce on the level I said yesterday. The only things now it's let's see if it breaks right away strong now, like it's doing right now, means that this level has been retested too many times, and there is the knock property of rake trades that after different knocks the door will open. So 1, 2, 3 times here, 4 times here, and now it's breaking. $92, yeah, 92 is, yeah, 92 is, yeah, same level there. but right now we are really weak. Let's see how it evolves on these lows. Okay, I have to move it. The 92 is a really good level, and I like it too. It's a really all these lows here, lows. This is a Asian session, so we don't really care. Lows again, high here. The reason 92 is a beautiful level to get short. Fortunately, this did not want to retest it right away. Maybe it will happen, but yeah. Now it's just liquidating all these lows here on ES. Let's see if it creates a green 5 minutes candle here and it breaks it, then I might think to go long. If not, there is no trade for me. Or we're gonna, if it breaks very strong this level, then I might look for a retest of it. Where is it? Path. If it really breaks now and it comes back and retest it, I'm gonna look for shorts. Especially because here we go to the hour chart on Nasdaq. Below these levels here, below this level and these wicks, this is all pre-market session. So from here, yeah, from here to, where is it? To here. At 22 closed here, so means yeah, to here. This is a massive gap between the two New York sessions. From this New York session here to this one, there is a massive gap here. Now let's see if it's gonna, this is gonna be used as a bounce. Now it's kind of bouncing right now. Let's see. Let's see if our level will get respected. Now it closed really on the level. That's a nice, I like it. It's insane how the level gets so respected that it opens as well right away on it. Let's see if this 5 minutes candle close green, then I will look for longs. If it does not close green, then I won't take it. This means like a nice, what is it, risk reward. If we get something like here, that is 30 points, that's fine. And we look for, yeah, the highs of the day. Let's see if it closes green. It does not give us too much of a risk reward, but anyway, if it reaches 1 to 1, we're gonna move our stop loss to break even. Let's see. I really like this level. It has been retested so many times. So many times. So really, there is really good strength. Hopefully we're gonna see if it breaks the 5 minutes. We're gonna enter, we're gonna respect our rules, we're gonna be disciplined, and that's all. Whatever happens later on, we don't care. We just need to be strong as respecting our plan, and the plan was getting a bounce on this level if it was gonna happen. 47, so we still have 2-3 minutes, 2 minutes and a half. My god. Hopefully it does not go too much as a 5 minutes candle, because then my risk reward will be much bigger. 38 to 71, that is a 30 points, 33 points. Yeah, hopefully it keeps it like that. I like it, it liquidates these lows here. Okay, let me see if everything is set properly. 2 micros, that's right. And no, the copy was not set. Ooh, luckily I checked it. Okay, now it's really getting as a big risk reward. It's gonna be a long trade. One minute and 20 seconds. One minute to put the order. We have 49, 30 seconds, 30 seconds. Let's see if we're gonna get filled. This is the high, is 73.50, 73.75. Oh, we're gonna get filled. We got filled. Long, guys. Let's see. The risk reward is not this one. Okay. Figure cross. We are in it. On a long. Bouncing on the level. Hopefully I don't get liquidated right away. It broke, so we are good. We follow the rules. We put the stop loss below the lows. And we now aim. How many points is that? Since that's 70 points. Let's see. Right away, so really no continuation. It's a nice level. It bounced so many times here. Look at that. 1, 2, all these resistance here again, here again, here. So the level makes sense. Hopefully it works out now that I am in. Hopefully we don't get stopped out right away. Give us some action of believing this trade works out and we'll be happy. This trade as well was a miss, was on Friday. On Friday, I missed this trade. It touched the level. I had to enter long on this break. Risk reward was almost the same as today, just a bit smaller, and I did not enter like an idiot. And this was a beautiful $600 trade as well, and I missed it. I like at least we're trying to bounce on this level right now. It's not going right away to the downside, so that is some nice chance. At least the candle is turning green. Oh, first time in profit since we are in this trade. That's something. And what is my break-even place? My break-even is at 0.0975. Whatever, 0.9 around this area. I'm gonna put an area, drawing tools, with a rectangle. So somewhere here, I will move on my stop loss to break even if it reaches there. At least it is giving us some hope. That is something. Come on, give us some nice push. Also news in 5 minutes, so hopefully we're on the right side of the news. Customer confidence there. Come on, let's get this long. Need to be just calm and relaxed. I like at least also on NES we're making new highs. If we go to the 5 minutes chart, we're breaking the previous 5 minutes. That is nice. Hopefully we don't use this one as a retest again for a new lower, but this is already one and second leg, and hopefully this is enough. We liquidated these lows. That's beautiful. That is beautiful. This is a massive bounce. This is a massive bounce. I notice it now. This is a massive bounce. So a lot of buyers came on this side, came back again, it liquidated this one, That's beautiful. Hopefully we are in this trade a long, beautiful one. Okay. 3 minutes, beautiful bounce, a bit more, and I will move my stop loss to break even. Break even, free trade, best feeling ever. That is a lot of points to get on this target, but if we reach the opening print level, there's a very good chance that we're gonna then squeeze higher. There is a nice kind of trend to the downside right now, but we are not making lower lows, but we're making lower highs, making it like a possible flag, massive flag. And this is a beautiful hour closing right now with this beautiful wick means buyers are there in the hour chart. Two minutes for the news to come out. I will prepare my order in this account. Break of this level. This is the hour level. I'm gonna go long. Oh, okay. Freaking hell, I forgot to put the strategy. I want 5 point, what is it? No, 3 point. One minute, no, 30 seconds. That's gonna be interesting, man. It's gonna be interesting because hopefully the news is on our side. It's a bit of a gamble in this case, but the level is there. Many times these things get respected. And is the consumer confidence at 10 a.m. in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Nice, nice, push it. Beautiful, stop loss in break even. Free trade, that's what we want. Okay, can you confirm my stop loss in break even? Beautiful, let's go. Free trade. I cannot lose on this trade anymore. I'm gonna put it even one tick above, so I recover commission. Worst scenario right now is that I won't lose in this trade. I followed my plan. I entered. Yeah, I entered with a plan and I executed. Now I moved my stop loss. That is my rule. After 1-to-1, now I don't do anything else until it reaches almost TP. I can take it out. Now we wait, and I don't have any more regrets on myself right now. I did the best, because if this I would have not entered long here, then I would have regretted myself. Say that my plan was gone on long on my level. The level came out. I have to respect it. Nice lower push up, right, Max? This is a beautiful one. Hopefully it keeps going. I forgot that I have a long on this account. Oh. With 8 macros. I forgot it. Hopefully we get a nice push. If you get a nice push in this opening range break of the 10 minutes, that's beautiful. It means also my other trade will work out. Going down with 8 macros. Finger cross, finger cross. Beautiful trade for the moment. Beautiful trade. I'm really very long for the moment. The strategy are going long, and we are ready to go. Hopefully the strength is coming. The news at least seems positive. That is the push. We need a nice continuation to the highs. That's beautiful. Beautiful. I like the delta as well. So happy I executed. Even if I got stopped out at 0 right now, I'm fairly in peace with myself. Yeah. Do you have specific rules for how much size you put on a trade? Yeah, I mean, because before I was using this strategy, I was using 5 macros, and 5 macros I felt were a lot, because in this trade, for example, I would have lost 74 to 37. That is like 37 points. That's $370. It's too much for my point. I believe it's too much for a 50,000 account where you have 2,500 drawdown. So that's why now I'm using these 2 PAs. I'm using one with 2 macros and the other one with 4 macros, just because I want to risk it more. So if the trades works well and they're good, then one account will be nice pushed, and the other account will be still alive with good risk reward, with good risk management. I think you have to handle 5-6 consecutive right trades. 5-6 consecutive trades minimum. 8-10 will be the best. 5-6 is the minimum for my point. If you wanna keep your account the longer possible. So if you have a 2,500 drawdown, then think about you have 2,000 because of the possible push of the first trade. Then if you risk $400-500, then it means you have 4-5 trades before you blow up. For me, it's still okay, but then it's risky. You have to think that it's risky because you can get 4 or 5 consecutive right trades. Okay, we are rejecting now the opening print level. Come on, push it. Give us this break. I think you have to count how many trades you want to handle on your strategy, or how many consecutive right trades you can handle on your strategy. If you can handle, if your strategy is such a high win rate because you scalp, then you can go with the bigger sides. But if your win rate, for example, like mine, is 45-50%, then I would say don't go too much, don't go too big, because you really, after 80-100 trades, you really get this consecutive 7-8 trades red that will really kill you mentally. I will get in some really downside that we're gonna get stopped out in break even. Means that really ES wants to retest this level. Oof, he wants to retest these lows here. What is the low? It's 50, 60, 75. It's a very high chance now. We really use the opening print level as a retest. If this level was not here and I would have not been long, then maybe I would have looked for shorts. Shorts with this risk, that means that will be the next level. That will make sense. Really makes sense. But I don't wanna now. If I get stopped out, I'm not gonna enter short right away. It does not make sense to be to just jump to the other direction. For my point, it will bring me FOMO. Let's say, for example, Tanja trades that she's an ICT one. If she took a trade, I think I thought she would have played it as short, but probably she waited for the news to come out. Wow, that's beautiful. Maybe she's gonna play long as well. What a beautiful 5 minutes candle for us now. Thanks. We did not get stopped out. This is gonna squeeze. If this continues pushing, this is gonna squeeze because of all the people trying to short here. This is a big fight. Big fight. I might try to long from 74 if we get there. 74, 74 here. Oh yeah, it's on the liquidity. When you grab this liquidity, I believe when you say choppy, I'm gonna say it's good chance because we're still in the range of yesterday. This was the range of yesterday. This level and this level are the range of yesterday. So in my chance, I really hope we get these liquidity grabs here, and this can range as much as it wants. So I will be golden with it. But if we break these highs now on the New York session, really I think we might have a nice push to these to all-time highs. We might have some nice chances if we break today's highs. Oh, wow. Give us this long, come on. Luckily, we did not get filled on this opening range break on this previous candle. Would have been stopped out. Okay, green 5 minutes candle again. We are closing in 30 seconds. Nasdaq very strong, Dow very weak. Again, in the last period, Dow and Nasdaq really against each other. Not helping at all, but now Dow now is really on levels of retest. So we really might bounce as well very soon. Okay, I mean, at least we closed green, but hopefully, honestly, I look for better push than this. That has been really horrible in the last period, by the way. So many pullback and really not pushing. This really brings ES down, and ES is just kept alive by Nasdaq. I'm just really hoping that the Dow turns green and we get a push as well on Nasdaq. Come on, give us this trade. Here, this one I can delete it. It was just my break-even place. And also it really made sense as well, that place, because it was a rejection of this opening print level. So if you rejected the opening print level and come back and stop me, it would have been fine. Now it's really using the 18,000 as a resistance. Hopefully it does not hold, it does hold the 18,000 and keeps pushing. This is the 18,000. Look at this in pre-market session. We need this candle to flip green to have a chance. Come on. not that much strength to the upside for the moment. Okay, it just broke and it did a few points after. I should maybe say it again. Not that much upside, not that much strength. And Q is very weak. No, it's not working. Reversal psychology on Nasdaq like that. No, it's not working. Again, no matter what, it's at least it was a great trade. Break even. It's a good trade anyway. Screw that I have as well on my the other valuation. I'm inside with 10 micros, so $600 up. So if that one closes, it might be a big trade. Very slow right now, guys. Very slow. Here's on the lows. Nasdaq on just below the opening print level. That's nothing to do right now than just waiting to see where the freaking hell wants to go. It's on the 18,000 right now. That is a psychological level. And that 80,000 has been used as well before as a resistance and as a support. So hopefully it gets used as a support than a resistance. We need really a nice push right now. A nice 5 minutes candle closing above it, and we get a nice push. He is really not helping. Dow not helping at all. Nasdaq, we're really surviving the push to the downside of the other two. How is Nvidia doing? Nvidia it's bouncing it as well right now. It's a nice bounce on Nvidia. Tesla, not that much. AMD, that's up 1.2% almost. Okay, we close at least above the 18,000 on the 5 minutes chart. That's something. But it's nothing until we don't break the opening print level. Come on. If I go to the 1 minute chart, on that area has been just little candles, and no real decisions on breaking higher or breaking lower. Wicks are above, wicks are below. 2 minutes chart. Wicks are more above the 2 minutes chart. Okay, so maybe this is really a shorting moment. Yeah, really we nailed it now with the 2 minutes chart. Still too early to say anything. Our stop loss is anyways the break even. Patrick is long with 17 contracts. Insane guy. That Patrick is insane. How the heck is long with 17 minutes? But yeah, 17 minutes is not for everyone, so don't do it. He makes so much money from affiliate as well, from his Discord, his whatever. So he makes millions from it. So he's very relaxed to go strong on trade. Come on, this just really nice, beautiful wicks on the 5 minutes chart. Oh, that's beautiful push. That's some nice push there. Okay, beautiful push, guys. Finally, we might get as well our opening range break. Let's get it, guys. Let's. Oh, nice, nice. I'm just trying to see. That's a beautiful trade as well on the opening range break. Hopefully it works out. Okay, my mistake. Ah, no mistakes here. Come on. That's it. That's it. It's coming to the break. We're gonna get long as well on the other account. We're gonna be very long on all the accounts. Very close to it. 8 micros. I got filled. I got filled, guys. Wow. I'll put it just at 93. And good luck to us. Good luck to us, because we are really long on many accounts. What I hope now is we get this push just above a highs, pre-market highs. We get a nice liquidity grab here. We get our 45. Will be beautiful. Can move it even to 43, 40 there, just on the tick. But hopefully it works out. Okay. Give it to us. Give it this push. Give us this push. Give us this push. As well in the other one, quite a big stop loss. 40, almost 40 point stop loss. Oof. Hopefully it works out there too. Come on, Nasdaq, don't give us this pullback. Oh my god. Oh, at least use the opening print level as a support. I can go back to the 5 minutes chart. Can I move it? My stop loss just a few ticks. A few ticks. We need this continuation. We need this continuation to the highs. Breaking these hours highs there. It's beautiful. We liquidated quite many people below. We might need to liquidate these highs here on pre-market. So my sell is there on one account. Hopefully it works out. Getting pullback. Getting the pullback. Okay, let me do I have the 5 minutes break? I'm coming back in 5 minutes. Oh no, wait, I'm gonna wait here and see to get stopped out. Oof, I already won $176 down on this account. Ooh, hopefully we're gonna get the reversal right now. My long bias will pay or is gonna kill me. For the moment we are red on this account, and in the other accounts we're still green, but we were very close to get our TP. I could have definitely removed some half of the sides here on the highs. Definitely I could have done that, but it is what it is. It is easy to comment. That's what happens, that before the trade I been very clear. TP is that one and stop loss is this one, so I have to be good at respecting it. Coming back, where is the coming back? No, that's not. I have so many. That was the old one. But definitely I can use that one and change the price. Change what's coming back in 5 minutes. Oh, that's horrible. That's very bad that we're using the opening print as a rejection. Even this one looks a beautiful short, to be honest. Now right now looks a beautiful short here. It's beautiful. This is a beautiful short on the opening print level. Hopefully this get faked out and it does not work out. For the moment, nothing's working. Oh my god. Okay, coming back in 5 minutes, but I want to see if I'm gonna get stopped out. The heck, that was a mistake. Come on. Yes, it's really not helping us today. Oh, that's a beautiful shot. That was I said here. If I had maybe some balls to take it out here and short, but it would have been against my idea of long. Oh, I'm gonna get stopped out in the other one. in very soon. Okay, $500 loss on that one. Oof, that hurts. And I got stopped out. Opening range did not work on that trade. Damn it. That's a nice loss. I went even with a slightly bigger size on that account, and now I'm down 564 on that trade. Even didn't go even that much on profit, really just a few points, and then I got clapped at all. Luckily I did not move my stop loss here neither on this one. I'm gonna keep it like that. Hopefully there is some chance on this trade to still work out, but I don't have confidence on it. This market looks weak. Did I get really stopped out by the tick? No, one tick below. Okay. What the heck? It happens to get stopped out, but that stopped out hurts. I mean, the short still looks good. Short on the opening print level. I'm long right now on Nasdaq side from the 74.50. This is my strategy of levels, but I got stopped out on the opening range break on the other account. So at least you missed that loss, but I'm still long on Nasdaq. Hopefully it keeps going higher, even if it doesn't look that great, to be honest. But we are here following the rules. Execution. Looking for this continuation. Nice buy. Thank you, Mamoon. Thank you. Nice buy. Bet long again later on, but at least on these two accounts, I'm in a very good position. Max. So finger crossed together. We're cruising. I'm down $500 on this one long with 1 mini and one evaluation. I'm up $800. So let's see if it works out. I mean, in that one, honestly, that account might even took it out, because that is if it comes back, that is a lot of drawdown against me later on. It's okay. I'm gonna follow my rules. If it goes, it blows up. Peace and love. I need to respect my plan. This trade, to be honest, this trade was beautiful. The only things that came out is the risk was if this 5 minutes candle here opened somewhere here and I had my stop loss here like I was looking for, then it would have been perfect because my profit target would have been the opening print level, and that's perfect. Unfortunately, the 5 minutes candle opened too big, making the risk reward much bigger. I took it anyway, of course, because I liked it on the long side. And worst scenario, anyway, reaching my opening print level would have been moving my stop loss to break even. So it would have been a free trade no matter what. Thank you, brother. Yeah, it happens. We just accept the loss on that on that account and we move on. We might recover it on the next trades. It's okay. Would have no, I would have not moved my stop loss to break even if I short it here. Let's see. No, 1-to-1 would have been somewhere here. Yeah, be somewhere here. Yeah. It's all good. We have to just to execute as our best, and we don't have to worry about PNL. PNL is doesn't matter. I'm gonna close the live the moment this trade closes. Hopefully soon, because now it's getting long. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That is 30 minutes. No, sorry, 9 candles is almost 1 hour. Oh, what the heck? Yeah, 10 candles for 5 minutes is 50 minutes. Yeah, I entered on this one, the first candle. So this is already 10 candles. That is already 1 hour of a trade. If this one turns back green and I got stopped out by a tick on the other one, that will hurt. Imagine I put 90 or 91.50 as a stop loss. Oh la la. Come on, keep pushing, give us this trade. Okay, then again opening print level is used as a resistance again. Looking, come on, it has to break, continue higher. I need to check how Dow is doing right now, because Dow before looked very bad. Down is negative, so that's what you have to. Dow is Nasdaq is positive by 0.30%, and Dow is down by 0.30%. So we really have a very bad situation on getting the long on Nasdaq, and hopefully in the same time we'll get a bounce on Dow that pushes the market together. I really liked, by the way, my entry on Nasdaq. Just it works, it does not work. Maybe I looked for too much profit, but the risk was there. Alright, Abdel Castro, what's up? You took a long at 79.80. Almost my same entry. Almost the same entry as well, because I got long at 79.75. And what is your TP, Abdel Castro? What is your TP? For the moment, my TP is pre-market highs. I believe it wants to liquidate them. It did not liquidate anything right now on Nasdaq on the highs, so that's what I'm looking for. Also, today is last day for 80% discount on Apex, guys. If you are looking for the discount, you can use my code here. It will help me to keep doing these videos and lives. I got my TP. 1830. Okay. Good job. Good job on your TP. Good job. 1830. That's beautiful. That's beautiful. Nice. I should have honestly done the same and taken at least one out, taking upsides out here on the highs of the day. I see your point, Saeed, of moving my stop loss at 1990. That is below these weeks. It makes sense, but it will not make sense on the strategy how I developed it. So I need to keep my strategy executed as the best. Stop loss is there, is in break even, peace and love. If it gets stopped out, I'm good, because it's a break even day on these accounts, following this strategy. So I'm totally good with it. Luckily, we got back the loss of yesterday from Apex. Honestly, the short looks amazing, to be honest. Using the opening print level, liquidated the highs of the day. This is a beautiful short. And he's looking even just as a risk. This is a beautiful risk reward. But yeah. At least I will just recover the commissions, and that's it. That is the 1.75. Maybe let's put it at 2 points. That will recover all the commissions. Oh, 1 point is enough to recover all my commissions. What the heck? The hope is still there. Hope to get this trade work out in our direction. No, honestly, there is no hope. I think we're gonna get stopped out. Dow super weak. S&P 500 super weak. These things will go down. But the fact is that what I want to look at the graphs, and this is my thoughts as well. I'm gonna go against my strategy, so I don't want to do that. I'm gonna win this trade or I'm gonna lose it. I was close to freaking win it. I could have really got out with a nice how many points would have been that one? 75 to 30. That was 55 points. That was a nice profit. It was at least $600 on both accounts. Yeah, yeah. You know, it's nothing to go against your thought. That I really like as well your thought. But the strategy, I have to execute it the best as I can, and the strategy is I move my stop loss to 1 to 1, and that's all. Yeah, right. It's above buying price. You see, my stop loss is at 75.25, and entry was 74. So I'm recovering the commissions, and that's all. I'm just using these levels as a entry, as a support and entry. So I will explain them as well in the. It should now the idea is these levels they're coming from the hours levels on the New York session, only New York session. I cannot now. I'm gonna share them on later on Discord, but these levels here, if I put the 30 minutes chart, because I cannot use the 1 hour as explanation in this case, but if I go to the 30 minutes chart, but it's really hard to show here. Let me use the trading view. Okay, I'm gonna get stopped out. I'm gonna open. Okay, gonna open here. Use the trading view. Wait, and I'm gonna show you. NQ1. I need NQ1. Okay. Then use the 1 hour chart. So the idea is this one. I don't need this. We have a Nasdaq right now here, right? I use only the regular trading hours. So in this case, what does it do? It shows me only the New York sessions, okay? And that is the idea. Then I have the 1 hour chart as a setting, and what I look is where the hour chart in the previous days created a change of direction from green to red or red to green on the chart. So for example, you see here we have a change of direction in red to green. So what I'm gonna do with this change direction red to green, I'm gonna take the opening print level of this candle. The opening print level of this candle is 17,955.75. So what I'm gonna do is put a beautiful line, 155.75. Beautiful. Now you will tell me why I didn't put this change of direction from green to red. The reason is because I don't put this one is because these lines, if I put it, an hour candle went through this level and closed. It created a body around the level. So when a body gets created around the level gets cancelled. I deleted it. This gets a level. This level has no body around it, so this level is still active on my chart. Then I will show you again. We have this level here. What is this turn? 18,052. 18,052. I go here and I have a level. And now if I show you, I go to the 5-minute chart. Look how this level, like this look at this level they've been charted the day before. So this level has been charted here. So look at the day after. This level has been used as a support. So you go to the next day, this level is perfectly on support. this level has been charted on this day. So if I go to the next day, look how this level has been used as a resistance in this case. So of course, this level might turn as a support or resistance depending on bigger time frames. So you then, when I go, if I have to look at the 1 hour chart, then I'm like, okay, here it's beautiful support. I might look at the 755 as a support, so I will be happy to go long. Guys, what did I say about, and I'm okay, I lost connection. I'm up on there. It's in case Abdul, you said it. You really said it, because I saw your comment, but I was explaining to Said the strategy. But you really said it, because you said now it should deliver towards your TP, and you said it when it was here at 1790. You really said it. I saw your comment. So honestly, I was hoping you were right. So now when I have my levels, what happened is that if this level, the previous days I created a new level here, but I'm not gonna take care of this one because they're very close, and then I'm gonna take the furthest one. So that is the reason now I have only these 2 levels. I might use as well this one as a level. What is this opening? 3150. Where the freaking hell is 3150? I cannot put it there. Okay. Then I go back to the 5-minute chart, and if I want to look at this, 3150. What the heck? Why did I not have this level here today on my chart? Okay, because I'm not, freaking hell, I'm not connected on this account. Can I reload this page without asking me to join? I had a level at 3150. I did not notice it. Okay, now it cancelled all my levels. But you see how there was a level on the 3150, and I did not take care of it, because I was like, it's not that important, and I got a lesson from it. The level is there, I have to grow it. It's 3150 here. And look at that, 3150 became resistance today. As hopefully it breaks right now. I'm gonna put it as well now on the chart. Ishi. Past 3150. I'm gonna sell one there. Again, just I don't wanna be greedy. All these will be used. Oh my god, again. Okay, it's okay. We have time for this trade to work out. We did very good job right now. Really, this was a beautiful job on our side of not getting triggered about this downside. My short would have been getting stopped out in break even in this case. If I decided to go short here, 1-to-1 risk reward, I would have moved my stop loss to break even. That was a break even stop loss. Beautiful buying pressure there. I would like to see if the Dow did the same. Dow found a bounce, not that huge, but it's finding some slowness on the downside. So it's making some bounce on it. Come on, SP500 is really not really helping us, but does this long work out? Guys, I don't know. This is really killing my patience. At least this was a beautiful 5 minutes candle. No matter what, this 5 minutes is beautiful because it engulfed so many candles, so we have some strength there. Hopefully me and Max will get our TP. Do some push-ups to pump up the market. I really should train today, to be honest. I'm gonna do it, and I'm gonna train today. After this trade, I'm gonna log off and start trading. do for the market, please. Push, Max, push. Give us some energy to push this market. What the heck? I really hope it's gonna get this liquidity, man. I really hope so before we get stopped out. To be honest, we didn't get any liquidity on this high here and this high on Nasdaq, so now we're really going over the 1 hour and a half. At 3:55 my time, and now it's now it's 1 hour. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. How the heck? What? Oh yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Yeah, okay, it's correct. It is correct. I'm not anymore to do basic math. Come on, give us this push. Hopefully he really gets this liquidity. Max push up are helping. What a beautiful push. What a beautiful push on this 5 minutes candle. We really got some nice luck of not getting stopped out here. The bad things is that I might have to enter short on ES because of the other strategy on the other account. There are 3 different accounts, so they follow different strategies and they go on their own speed. But this ES is not really paying off in the last period. To be honest, yes, I think my mistake in this case is I did not put this level here at 31 because that would have been a nice profit target. I think that was my main mistake. That was definitely my main mistakes because yes, the risk reward saying 45 there is correct, but this was a nice level to take out some. Oh, 30 seconds. We're gonna enter, might be long here. I need to enter short. Ah, I cannot submit orders. Ah, yeah, because I have a buy stop. I need to enter short, guys. That is the strategy. I'm forced to enter short. I am forced to enter short. And I got my short. Short in one account, long in other two. It's gonna be interesting. There's really not. It should. Yeah, right, Max. At least now, if now Max says, you know what is gonna happen? I'm gonna get stopped out in both. This is gonna go here. This is gonna push. It's not gonna take profit. Then it's gonna come back and stop in both. Alright, guys, this is a really long live today. It's really not helping at all. This Nasdaq. If this one goes to TP, it's gonna be at least $300 brought back on this loss. I mean, I can even touch my TP and Nasdaq does not go down that much because now it's weaker. Max, you have a long as well. You say no 74 on yes, so hopefully it gets your entry and then it bounces. Yeah. Oh no. Okay. Yeah. Okay. You're long on 77 evaluation. Okay. Yeah. You're right. You say this. How many contracts? 2. That's good. 77. So you're up almost $400 now. Yeah, $400. And to be honest, it can hit my stop loss and hit your target. I will be okay until the other two accounts hit target too. We are really getting some choppiness here. We're really triangulizing on ES. 5 minute chart, will you gonna see it better? That's some triangulation there. Super ugly price action, by the way. Again, second day, very ugly price action. Okay. Now I think about it. No, this would been. This was yeah. This is another nice short coming out on ES on Nasdaq. Mm. Some really downside right now is coming out. It wants to liquidate probably these lows. Honestly, I don't like anything today, to be honest. This trade, I won't look at it. This trade, I won't look at it. Whatever it happens now, I don't care. I just really want to be over with these trades, but I might even just. I would love to close the live after this Nasdaq gets closed, but really, it's been 1 hour right now. Usually, I should have taken it out here on the top. That was should have been the correct plan. But it is what it is. Now, how many times rejected open print level today? Also my level here, that really hurts me because I should have put that level on my analysis today. It was correct to put it. Somehow I thought there was a level on 950 and that's why I didn't put this one, but that was a mistake. Okay, I figure. Okay, it's really, this one is turning green, and really we are might. Okay, this is. I really don't care. I don't care. Just waiting here for all day. I'm not gonna do anything. I'm gonna update you in Discord if these two trades get stopped out or gets to TP. And oh, this is the push. Let's see if this is the moment, because that candle is closing right now in 8 seconds. This is a bad red candle. Okay, this is a really bad candle. Time to get stopped out. Probably, yeah. I'm happy on my execution on Nasdaq. The green candle was perfect as an entry. Unfortunately, it did not push slightly higher. It rejected my level. I thought that the level would have been the same rejected yesterday, but instead the new level created yesterday became rejection today. The 3150, I could have got out at least one contract there and looked for the rest. Mistake, yeah, but we learn, because the 3150 would have been okay. It was not far from TP. It was a 1.75 risk reward. That is totally fine to take some TP at 175. It did not happen. Okay guys, I'm gonna call it. I'm gonna update you in Discord, and see you later, fam. See you in Discord. Thank you guys. Yeah, thank you Max. Thank you very much for always commenting. Thank you Abdel for coming by. Thank you Saeed. And that's all. Thank you guys. Thank you very much again.